So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
So welcome again to math class. Today, Wednesday, right? And we will start, right, praying to the Lord as we do every day. So I'm gonna ask for Gabriela Zúñiga, please, to pray to us. Yes.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Amen. Amen. So now, guys, we will start discussing the homework, right? I hope you develop all the exercises, right? Because I'm gonna ask for participation, right? Do you remember the last topic? Do you remember the last topic?
Yes, estimate
What's
decimal
about
portion.
estimate?
Decimals to fit to estimate decimal quotients.
Yes, of course. So we stop in page 309, right? And we have some exercises. We already discussed, right? Exercises from 3 to 8, right? In classes. So now we will continue discussing exercise number 9. Okay, do I have a volunteer to share exercise number 9 in page 309? Christian Menjiva? Okay, Christian Menjiva. What you have?
Uh, 65 divided in 10 is 6 and 5.
6 and 5. We have the same answer, guys.
Yes,
You
mister.
round the numbers in the same way?
Yes.
Yes, good job. So
Yes.
number
Mister,
10.
mister, I not put that point and
Yeah, you have
I
to write. You have to
point.
write the decimal point, Angel,
Okay.
in the answer. So let's continue then. Do I have another volunteer to share number 10? Okay, Andrea Larissa.
60 divided in 12 is equal to 5.
Yes, you have to round first, right? To 60 and then to 12. And that division is, the answer is 12. Yes, do you have the same answer? Yes, so I need another volunteer who wants to participate. Okay, Beiran. Beiran now, in the same page, Beiran is going to share the exercise, the answer of exercise number 15. 15.
I have 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7.
Yes, you have to use what? Round the numbers or estimate? You estimate the numbers, right?
And delay.
Make easier, right? The division. And the answer is 7. Do you have a different answer, guys? No, right? The answer is 7. Another volunteer. Miguel Avila? Okay, Miguel Avila. Share with us exercise number 17.
20 divided by 5 is equal to 4.
20 divided by 5.
5 is equal to 4.
Okay, it is a good option, right? Because you use numbers that were easy to, right? To operate, right?
To
But
operate.
I think that in this answer can vary, right? Does someone else has a different answer here?
I have
Okay,
one.
Glynis, could you please share your answer?
My answer is 20 divided into 2 equals 10.
Okay, we're talking about 17. Could you repeat again your answer, please?
That is
Okay, repeat again because I can hear you.
20 divided
into 2 equals to 10.
Yes, it could be as well because you are looking for easy
Mister,
numbers.
I have
Right? So,
another.
let's listen to Andrea first and then Bayron. Andrea, could you please share your answer?
21 divided by 3 is equal to 7.
Yes, of course. Good job. So,
I have the same, Mister.
yes, all the answers that you just provide are correct. Yes, all the answers that you provide are correct, right? Because the idea is to look numbers that are easier to operate, right? So let's continue then. I need 2 more volunteers. 2 more. Okay, and Gabriela, could you please share with us exercise 16?
800 divided into 80 is equal to 10.
Yes, of course. You estimate these numbers. Do you have the same answer, guys?
Yes.
Yes?
Sorry?
Good.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. So, another volunteer. Angeles, do you want to participate? Okay, Leticia, do you want to participate, Leticia? No, why not?
Okay, mister.
Okay, Leticia. That's the thing that I like, that you want to participate. So, Leticia is going to share with us exercise number 13. 13.
17 and 7 is se me olvidó cómo
You
era.
estimate the number, right? Yes? So, in which number would you use? Instead of 17, 18.
18 and 3 is 6.
Yes, of course. Do you have the same answer, guys? Yes, good job. Good job. So the last one for this page, Angeles. Yes, could you please share with us exercise number 19?
150
Yes.
divided to 15 is equal to 10.
Yes, of course. Do you have the same answer? Yes. Okay, now let's go. Let's move to page 311 weekly. Right? Weekly. And then I will ask just for 2 volunteers in this page because we have to discuss the new topic, right? So I'm going to ask for Miguel Alejandro, Khaled, and Diego Amador, these 3 people, right? Miguel Alejandro, please, could you please share with us the answer of exercise number 5 in page 311. Exercise number 5.
83 divided by 8 is 11.
Yes, yes, right. Someone else has a different answer. Leticia, do you have a different answer? Could you please share with us, Leticia?
I have 80 and 8 is 10.
Yes, of course. Good job. Good job as well, Miguel Alejandro. You have a good answer. Leticia as well. Someone else has a different answer? A different one? A different from Leticia and from Miguel? Bayden? We can hear you, Bayden.
Irán, tenés silenciado tu micrófono.
72 divided by 8 is equal to 9.
Yes, it could be as well, right? Good job, guys. I like that you got that topic, right? So let's continue then with Miguel, Diego, right? Diego,
Khaled,
before I
mister.
said, right?
Khaled.
Khaled. Okay, Khaled. So Khaled, let's share with us exercise number 2. Number 2, Khaled.
55 and
Number
11
2, Khaled. We are in page
Yes.
311.
Yes.
Yes.
56 divided by 10 equal.
Caleb, in exercise number 2, we have 28 and 4 divided in 9 and, sorry. 52 and 3 divided in 11 and 4, right? You have to
Yes.
estimate the number first. So, which are the numbers that you estimate?
55 and 4.
And 4? You estimate 11 to number 4?
Yes.
Okay, and
No,
which is,
no.
okay. Okay, Caleb, share your answer.
Okay. 60 divided by 10 equal.
Are you sure that you finished your homework, Caleb?
No.
You didn't do your homework, right? Okay, now let's listen now to Diego Amador. The same answer. Number 2, exercise number 2, Diego Amador.
55 divided 11 is 36.
Okay, what happened when you divide 55 and 11? Which is the answer?
I have it, Mr.
It doesn't.
Diego Amador. I'm talking with Diego Amador right now. Diego Amador, could you please tell me which is the answer? Or what happened when you divide 55 and 11? How many times, Diego Amador? 11 fixed and 55. Diego, we're waiting, Diego. Could you please share the answer you have, Diego?
36.
36. Okay, someone, okay,
Hi,
Christian,
mister.
you are raising your hand. Okay, Christian, could you please share with us? Which is the answer?
11.
11. Oh, come on, guys.
Mister, I want.
Listen, guys.
Mister, I want.
Listen, guys.
Ah.
I don't know if you can see here. Yes? Okay, what
I can't
happened?
see.
What happened, guys, if I divide 55 and 11? Yes? How many times 11 fits in 55, guys?
Mister, I know.
5. What happened if I add, what
5.
happened if I multiply 11 times 5, right? It is equal to
55.
55, right? So the answer is
5.
5. Yes? Okay, the last person will be Miguel Avila. Would you please, Miguel Avila, share with us exercise number 11? Hurry up.
Mister,
Miguel, did you finish your homework, Miguel?
Ah, mister, perdón, es que estaba silenciado, no me di cuenta.
Okay, hurry up.
400 times 100 is equal to 4.
Yes. Someone else has a different answer? Do you have the same answer? Do you have the same answer? Okay, so then guys, I want to tell you that you are good students. You are so smart because you got the topic very well, right? So congratulations to all of you, right? And I will invite the people who didn't finish your homework that finish your homework. That's the only thing that you have to do during the day, right? So now let's continue, right? And we will go to page 319. 319. Yes,
I am there.
319.
And the title is Divide by one digit whole
Yes,
numbers.
we will divide, yes, of course. Divide by one digit whole number, right? This topic is pretty easy as well, right? Because actually we are dividing numbers by one, just with one number, right? Yes? So then I'm gonna ask, right, to let's listen to Gabriela. Please read the problem that we have in that page.
A concrete mason separated 107 and 25 pounds of sand evenly into 3 containers.
Yes.
How much sand did he put in each container? Solve this
Okay.
problem any way you choose.
Okay, please, would you please start solving this problem? And remember that it says any way you choose. You are free to choose the way that is easier for you, right? Hurry up. You have 2 minutes. Did you finish?
No, mister.
Hurry up. Try to do it, right?
Mister, how to round?
Sorry, Angela?
He said I have to estimate.
Okay, if you want to estimate, you can estimate.
And round?
You can estimate the numbers. You can estimate the numbers to become these numbers in whole numbers, right? But you may do it with decimal number as well, right?
I think that I have it.
Okay, which answer do you have, baby?
99 divided by 3 is equal to 33.
Why 99? Tell me why 99? I want to know, Beta, how you got 99. What did you do that you have 99? Or which process did you use to solve the problem?
Estimate.
You estimate 107, right? To 99.
Yes.
Okay, and then you divide it into 3, right? So, but do you think that it is correct? Do you think that it is correct? The estimation you did? Another thing that you may do is, right, use compatible numbers, right? Gabriela, could you please share with us something? Because you are raising your hand. Okay, Gabriela.
The answer is 35 and 75.
Like what did you do, Gabriela? Could you please share with us what was your process?
I didn't round, I just divide the numbers.
You just divide the numbers, right? Good. Good job. Kenneth, do you have a different answer?
35 and 2.
35 and 2. Okay, it could be. Yeah. So, listen, guys. In this topic, you may use, right? Okay, in this exercise that we just discussed, you were free, right, to use the way you choose. And I really like that you are using all the tools that we have learned during the class, because some of you estimate the number, right? And also some of you look for compatible numbers, yes? And you did the division as we have there. And I like that, right? Because we have, right, different options, right? And all these options are good to solve this kind of exercise, right? So, and also, and here we have another answer, right? And the answer is that you have to, I used, right, compatible numbers. So, and I estimate, right, 807, right, to 820. I use 820 and 3. Why? Because I'm using estimate numbers, right? Sorry, compatible number. Because what happened if I multiply, right, 4 times 3? Or 3
It's equal
times
to
4?
12.
It is equal to?
12.
So it is, if the number that I'm using is 120, do you think that the answer is correct? Or is easy to me to solve the problem? Yes, right, because I'm using a compatible number. Do you understand? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. And then here we have. Here we have, guys. I told you that I use estimate number, compatible numbers. Sorry, so I got 107, right, and 25. Yes, divided in 3, right? And the thing that I did is that okay, this one is going to be the same number, right? Because we have a complete number here. So the thing that I did is that I look, right, or I become this number into a number that it was easy to divide with this number, right? So what happened if I become this in 110? It would be difficult, right, to divide, right? So I will move and I look for this number, 120, right? And you are wondering why 120, but what happened if I divide 3 times 4? What happened?
It's equal to 12.
Is equal to 12, right?
12.
So
12.
here I got 12, right? But if it's 120, the answer would be 40. Yes, you see? So all that you have to do is your mental math, guys, because you have the tools. You will learn all the tools, right? So you have to use them, right? And I really like that. So I'm gonna show you, right? And I'm gonna explain to you how to solve this division, right? Using decimal numbers, right?
Mister, I can understand.
I'm gonna explain right now. I'm gonna explain. Just pay attention, Andy, right? So I'm gonna ask to go. Who's talking? Okay, Leticia, tell me.
I have different answers.
Okay, which answer you have?
I have 3 and 105 is 90, multiplied with 30 is 50, and 15 5 is 0, is 35.
Okay, yes, it is a good answer as well, right? Yes, so now let's pay attention, right? And I'm gonna show you how to divide decimal number by 1 digit, right? Pay attention. Yes, so we are going to develop this exercise in 3 steps, right? And we will solve, like for example, we will solve, sorry. $24 divided no, sorry. We're gonna use, right? In the, we can go to page, right? 320, right? In order you to see the steps as well, right? So in this page, we have 23 and 6, right? Divided and 8. Yes. Now, guys, the first thing that you have to do, that is the step number 1, that we are going to estimate the numbers we have. Yes? And what happened? Which is the number that I have to estimate or to round?
3 and
23 and 6, right? And this number will be coming. Which number? If I have 6 here, and 6 is greater than
It can be
5,
20.
it would be 24.
Yes.
So now you got 24 divided in 8, right? I'm gonna write it here. So this is the step number 1. You have to estimate, right? And then I got 24, right?
Mr. The answer is 3.
The answer is 3, right? But the thing that we can do, right, is estimate. The step number 1 this is the first way that you have to solve. Then number 2, we're gonna solve the exercise as we have. And that's why I divide here the board, and I will write 8, right? Yeah, divided in
24.
23. Sorry.
And 6.
23
24.
and 6. I'm having problems with my internet. 23 and 6, right? So guys, since I had this division here, right? How many times? The thing that I have to do is that I have to look, right? I have to think about how many times this number fits in this, in the first number. Now, let's see, listen, it is possible, right, to divide 8 into, no, right? Because 8 is greater than 2. So I'm gonna take the 2 digits here, and it would be 23. So how many times 23 fits in, oh, okay. How many times 8 fits in 23?
3.
3. What happened if I multiply 8 times 3? Right? It is 24, right?
8
And
times
I'm
2.
looking for a number that has
It's
8.
time 2. Mister,
So,
it's
let's try with
times 2.
2.
Mister.
2. Right? What happened? 8 times 2 is equal to
16.
16. Yes? So, which is the next step? I have to
Subtract.
subtract, right?
Subtract.
And what I get about this subtraction?
Mister, we have many minutes of this class.
Yes, we will continue. We will continue. So,
Okay.
let's try to solve this. So, which is the subtraction? Which is the answer? Then, can I subtract 6 from 3? No, right? So I have to ask for a unit to number 2.
Equal to 13.
And then I said 13
It's
minus
equal to
6.
7.
It is
It's
equal to
7.
7, right? And here I got 0. Yes?
And it
So,
go down number 6.
after, okay, listen. As I took these two numbers, right? The thing that I